The future isn't coming. It's already here. Every day we wake up to a world that's more connected, automated, and intelligent than ever before. The lines between science fiction and reality are blurring, as technology we once only dreamed of is now part of our daily lives. From bustling city streets filled with smart devices to wearable tech tracking our every move, and digital assistants responding to our voices, the pace of change is breathtaking. It's transforming how we live, work, and interact with the world. Machines can now drive, diagnose, write, and even create. Self-driving cars glide through traffic, making split-second decisions with algorithms that learn from millions of miles of data. In hospitals, doctors use AI-powered diagnostic tools that spot diseases faster and more accurately than ever. In offices, people collaborate with robots and intelligent software, automating repetitive tasks and freeing up time for more meaningful work. Even the words we read, news articles and stories, are sometimes generated by artificial intelligence. The capabilities of AI are expanding at an exponential rate, and it's easy to wonder, is there anything left that only humans can do? But not everything can be automated. There are 5 things machines still cannot do like humans: imagination, empathy, purpose, critical thinking, trust. These are the skills that set us apart, the uniquely human abilities no algorithm can replicate. Imagination sparks innovation, letting us dream up new ideas and create from nothing. Empathy is the deep understanding of another's feelings, the ability to connect, comfort, and inspire. Purpose is the sense of meaning that drives us, the why behind our actions. Critical thinking is the power to analyze, question, and find creative solutions to complex problems. And trust, the foundation of every relationship and team, is built on authenticity and shared experience. These aren't just skills, they're the essence of being human. In a world of exponential change, these traits are your unfair advantage. As technology accelerates, the value of our uniquely human qualities only grows. It's easy to get swept up in the latest gadgets and trends, but it's our imagination, empathy, purpose, critical thinking, and trust that will help us thrive. These are the skills that can't be downloaded or replaced. They're the secret weapons that give us an edge in a world where machines are everywhere, but humanity is irreplaceable. When teams celebrate success, it's about the shared journey and the meaning found along the way. When a business leader reflects on the future, it's these human qualities that will shape the path ahead. So ask yourself, what skills am I building that cannot be replaced by machines? Are you nurturing your creativity, challenging yourself to think differently, and seeking new experiences? Are you developing your emotional intelligence, learning to listen deeply, and building strong relationships? Are you finding purpose in your work, connecting your actions to a larger mission? Are you sharpening your critical thinking, questioning assumptions, and solving problems in innovative ways? Are you building trust with those around you, showing up with authenticity and integrity? These are the skills that will set you apart in the age of AI. Whether you're journaling, learning new hands-on skills, attending workshops, or coding the next big thing, remember, it's not just about what you know, but how you think, feel, and connect with others. Are we changing fast enough to keep up? The world isn't waiting. Every day, new technologies emerge, industries evolve, and the skills that mattered yesterday may not be enough tomorrow. It's natural to feel uncertainty as we navigate this rapidly changing landscape. But the answer isn't to compete with machines at what they do best. It's to double down on what makes us human. As you look at the latest data and adapt to new tools, remember, the most important transformation isn't digital, it's personal. It's about growing, learning, and evolving as a human being. This is not just digital transformation, it's human transformation. The future belongs to those who embrace change, who are willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn. It belongs to those who can bridge the gap between technology and humanity, using machines as tools to amplify their own creativity, empathy, and purpose. As you reach out to touch the digital world, remember, your greatest strength lies in your human touch, the ability to inspire, connect, and make a difference. In this new era, the most valuable skills aren't the ones that can be coded, but the ones that can be felt, shared, and lived. So as you step into the future, ask yourself, how will you use your human edge?